Alright guys, let me welcome you. As you can see, I'm making a very nice aroma dish. This will be shrimps together with some zucchini and obviously some basil, dried up basil. If you add it in copious amounts, it smells real nice and it works real fine. The sauce is gonna be made from cream. So what I have here is this 18% cream, and as you can see, these will be the shrimps I'm gonna add to it, then the cream, and on top of it, it's gonna be with a special rice pasta. So it's gonna be quite cool. You're gonna see it all nicely done, and I'm gonna show you in a second how it looks when it's served. So it's a quick dish if you don't have too much time, and I've only got half an hour before I have to run to work. So let me welcome you guys. As you can see, I'm cooking, and these are the shrimps I'm gonna use. So I've got a nice apron on me, chef's apron, and then you can see this is what I'm gonna add now, the shrimps. So 2 packets. And it's cooking real nice. It's a gas oven. I prefer to cook on gas instead of electricity, so I think that works best. And you can see, well, it's doing nice. So let them fry for a bit. You can season it with garlic or other spices. Here I'm actually using basil, and together with cream it makes a real good sauce. So I'm gonna add a bit more dried basil. Dried one works best here, although you can always use fresh one, which I have on the window here, but it gives a special aroma to the dish. For a bit longer, and I'm gonna get the cream ready. So since if the cream is cold, you can add a bit of hot water to make it, well, more adjusted to the temperature on the frying pan, and that's what I'm gonna do here, so that the different parts don't separate during the cooking process. I will a bit of with this hot water. This will be a nice, very tasty sauce. Well, in fact, my kids, they did not like seafood before, but when I started making the sauce on pasta, well, they started loving it, and now it's their favorite dish, and they always keep on asking me when is the shrimps with zucchini gonna be. So as you can see, the cream is nice and thick, and it's not as cold anymore. Well, the thing is almost ready for the cream. What are the ingredients? If you guys may be wondering, I didn't list them. So 1 zucchini, dried basil, a bit of olive oil to fry it on the frying pan, cream according to preference. So this is sour cream, 18%, and well, you may add less or you may add more according to preference, and a bit of pasta. And the pasta, like tagliatelle, I think in this case works best. It takes in the flavor, and it's really making this dish really very tasty. And now I'm gonna add it to the pan. I'm adding the whole bit, so the sauce is gonna be nice and thick, and soon it will be ready to be served. So the oil, olive oil, together with the basil and the cream make it really tasty. all around this tagliatelle pasta. Obviously you have to remember this is not like carbonara, it's something different. So you may put the pasta in there, or if you want to make it look better, well, you can do it separately. But obviously if you add it to the frying pan, it takes up all the flavor, all the sauce, which well, is for the better of it. Okay, so let it fry for a minute or two and it will be ready. The sauce is really nice. Let me taste it. So the sauce, yummy. Okay, so that's why the kids love it. And we have it almost ready now. Okie dokie, so let's get the pasta ready and then put some sauce over it. Again, I've chosen a rice pasta, a rice tagliatelle. It's kind of a noodlish type of style. And now I'm gonna add this to the meal. Obviously the sauce is a very important ingredient, so this is what I'm doing, in fact, sprinkling it with the sauce. So it's the same basically stuff if you would put it in the frying pan. This is what I'm doing now. There we are, and a bit of green. Oh, that looks nice. So take a look. I'm gonna call the kid and see the reaction. So, hey, come for lunch. It's ready. Alright guys, so the chef is ready to serve and the kids are coming, so let's see their reaction. Okay, the kid is here. Proszę bardzo. Cieszysz się? O, super. Dobra, to zajadaj. Smacznego, bon appétit.